Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Got a really strange pot mould today. Now normally, can you see his a lovely lady's face, well a young girl and a beautiful hair. Normally when I get one of these that's something strange like this, I use aquacast, but today I'm going to put resin in it, and because I really want to see what it looks like with resin. So I'm going to paint mica powder in the mould if I can get it inside out. We'll try that later. I don't know what to do about her face, what colour to put. I might make her face really pale. Put nice white on it. Yeah, so I'm gonna start painting this with mica powder, just generic mica powder, whatever you've got. I might do a bronze on her hair, a nice brown. Yeah, let's get started. Right, I've got a bronze out here. It's a beautiful shimmery brown, and I'm going to do her hair in brown. I'll do that first and then I'll clean up any mishaps I have. So I'll speed you up for this part. You don't want to be seeing all this. Right, this is kind of like an interference pink powder. So I'm going to use this for her face. And I think I'll put her eyes and everything in later. This is probably not the right colour to use, but it'll be different, won't it? How's everybody doing today? I hope you've all had a good week. Been a busy one for me. Well, I'm not very good at that, am I? Flipping it back. I blew it as well. It's gone all over, so we will be using that bronze in the colouring as well. But I think I've got her. I think her face is going to be very unusual. It was making me laugh as I put it on. I thought if I put a dark colour behind that, she's going to have a bright pink face. Anyway, we'll see how it comes out. It might be absolutely ridiculous, but at least it's made me laugh. I will get some resin mixed up. I will be using J Diction epoxy resin. There's 200 mils of resin there. I haven't a clue how much it takes because I've never used it before. And I'm going to put a bit of the bronze into the resin. It really doesn't need much. It's quite a strong pigment, this, a strong colour. And very, very beautiful. I'm mixing it a bit too vigorously. I was really careful mixing the resin as well. Did it really slowly. Right, let's have a look how we're doing. Oh God, that's a beautiful colour, look at that. Let's get it all from the sides. There we go. Let's pour and see how much it takes. I might just mix it a bit more first. A bit of a clear bit then when I scrape my spatula. There we go. Let's have a look, let's see how much it takes. Isn't that beautiful? I bet you can't see it because of the jug. I think, oh, I'm gonna say I think it's gonna take it all, but all of a sudden it reached the top. Domed ever so slightly. Don't know why I'm tapping it. I've been doing aquacast all day, so there we go. We'll just leave that to cure and then we can see that ridiculous face. I'll be back once it's cured. It's the day after and we're going to demold, and I can already tell through the mould that her face is bright pink. I can't believe I did that. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, we'll see what she looks like. If she's really ridiculous, I will do it again. I've never used this mould before, so I could be here for some time. Let's see if we can roll it down. I'll not show her face first. Proper made me chuckle. Yeah, nice soft mould, rolls really easy. Now we have to get this suction out. There we go. I can see her face. Leave her that way for the minute. Are you ready? Oh, it's a matte mould. Like I said, I would use this mould normally for aquacast. Are you ready? It's actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. I thought it'd look really, really stupid and I'd have to correct it. I think it will be better in a different colour. Right, we'll give her some features. I'll use my Posca pens. We'll give her some lipstick. But what a lovely mould. Apart from that face. Yeah, lovely. It's a shame it's not shiny, but I don't mind that. Like I say, it will be used for eco resins. Bit of trimming up is needed around there. Got a bit of my nail varnish on it there. Clean that off with some alcohol. Yeah, let's give them details, her eyes and her lips a bit more definition. Right, I've got a metallic Posca pen here and in pink, just to give her a bit more pink. And I'm just going to do her lips. I'm putting lipstick on her just like I put lipstick on myself all over my face. That's why I don't do it anymore. Oh, that's better. Oh, I've smeared it. We'll clean that right up. Yeah, exactly how I put it on my face. There we go. I'm going to put that same pink for eyeshadow. Right, well, she just makes me laugh every time I see her. What do you think? Nice, easy beginner's project that. Perhaps if you are a beginner, don't make a face bright pink. But I will be trying that in aquacast because I think it will be beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right, I will take some photos and I hope you've got something from this. I got a chuckle, and I will see you next time. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye.